This is the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. Sign up, you get 4 a year. They're $5 each. Pretty good deal in my opinion. Usually there's some hefty size things, and this one doesn't feel too bad. And so let's see what we get in here. Okay, first of all, we got Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Okay. Scoop a generous amount, spread over. Yep, okay. That's a new thing for Dove. Come on, stay open. So that'll be exciting to try. Then we got Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. Activated charcoal. I don't know. Oh, it's sealed. I don't want to open it. I don't know. The fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. One is I need sensitive toothpaste, but I don't know. I might put it in my giveaway. I'm not sure if I'll give it a go or not. Aveeno yogurt body wash. I'll always take an Aveeno product. Then we have Pantene foam conditioner. Okay, well, I will always take a conditioner. I have short, naturally curly hair, and conditioning my hair multiple times a week is the only thing that keeps it going. Then we got Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer, fair to medium. I think I already have a sample of this that I haven't tried yet because it just hasn't come up in my rotation. I try and use the oldest things I got first. So, and then we got a mask. A skin gel mask from Donkey Milk. I like these things. They're so easy and everything to utilize. And I think the rest are just cards explaining the thing. So, yep, that's it. So, most of these, yeah, except for the whitening toothpaste, I don't know here. I'm looking at a card thingy for the Hello thing. Activated charcoal, fluoride-free whitening, natural whitening and detoxifier that removes surface stains and freshens breath. Black paste can be messy, so please spit responsibly. Yeah, no, I think that's going in my giveaway box. I don't think it's anything I want. So, but otherwise, the rest, I'd say worth $5. So that's it. Have you subscribed yet? You'll find the link to the Walmart Beauty in my comments below, and we'll check you next quarter, because you only get one of these a quarter. So this must be the summer box, and then we'll see you in the fall. There is also a playlist if you want to see what I've gotten in past ones. Just check the playlist, and there you go.